All right, what's in this freezer to eat? I think I'm gonna try out this Season's Choice 7 vegetable lasagna that I found at Aldi's. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Y'all ever had this? We're gonna see what it do. All right, I followed all the instructions. It actually don't look bad. So it has broccoli, cauliflower, cheese, carrots, spinach, all of that. So I basically put it on a cooking sheet. I put it in there for the 50 minutes. We're gonna see what this thing talking about. I'm gonna cut it and see what's up. All right, it's on the plate, on the plate. All right, I'm about to see what this thing tastes like. It's like, it tastes like vegetables and lasagna. It actually ain't bad for real. So if you like looking for a little healthier option, you should try it out. It's worth a try. It's definitely worth a try. So yeah, stop by Aldi's and see what that veggie lasagna you're talking about. It's pretty cool.